So it is prom day. Well, actually it's literally just, I know there's like a little covering there. Anyways, basically today is prom day, at least for me and my friends. We're gonna be doing a prom in my friend's backyard. Shalomi kindly lent us her backyard. Low-key, maybe I kind of forced her, but you know what, it's all good. It's like 9 a.m. so that's why my voice is like weirdly raspy. Well, yeah, right? And I'm kind of in charge of like decorating and stuff, so I am gonna be heading over to Shalomi's just a little bit earlier so we can set up most of the things, and then the party starts at 6, or like the prom starts at 6 till 12, so that's gonna be really exciting. I think I'm also gonna be going over to Adrian's house just to pick up some twigs because I'm thinking of doing like this archway thing. I don't know if it's gonna turn out okay. It might be pretty crappy, but we're gonna hope for the best because what I'm envisioning, I hope it turns out realistic. And yeah, so also, what was I gonna say? Oh, for parents watching this, if you'd like to skip to a certain amount of time, go ahead for the montage. Okay, bye.
Is it recording? What's up, Anna's Vlogs? This is Adrian's crib.
Welcome to my crib!
We're throwing prom. It's gonna be amazing. And this is for decorations, I think.
See, the twig is a lot shorter. I thought it would be. No! I'm kidding!
What are we doing now?
Twine's been used.
Oh wait.
This. Okay, extension on the core. I added a little bow,
Look at that bow.
I'm gonna use the twigs.
I'm like working on the backdrop. Got a bunch of stuff there.
Got a pool. Swimsuit, I'm right here. Jumping.
What's this head?
Yeah.
Yes, let's get some fit. Okay.
And some weeks look colder, but the days they get shorter and more try to thought of, but I'm left okay. Cause she's my Irish, she's my Thomas, she's my sin wasting, killing patience. I love to count the days.
What are you doing, Anna?
Yay, prom! Yay, pee. So I'm gonna just go ahead and start getting ready. My mom actually got me this new curler thing called Unbound, and it's really cool. So I'm gonna curl my hair with this and then do makeup. But yeah.
Lightning-stricken cactus and it starts to rain. The smell of steamed asphalt scented Novocaine. Nature's brew of all kinds of things. The mountains.
So I'm just gonna start off with some sunscreen. This is just the Neutrogena Hydro Boost sunscreen. So I'm just gonna wear this necklace. I'm just gonna use the Glossier Stretch Concealer. Just shoot, okay.
Thunder tonight.
This is such a bad angle.
Endless roads to the horizon. Past the oasis, it's all behind you.
By Glossier. It's quite nice. I like it. But it lasts so long. But it comes with so much. Like, you really don't need that much. Here I am layering 3 different blushes, but you know what? Whatever. It is what it is. And it will probably wear off by the time I get there. So whatever. T Beauty. This is the Pro Filter in Banana. I'm not even, I'm gonna be honest, I don't really know how to do makeup. I'm just putting it wherever it's oily, and then I'll brush it off later. I'm going to contour a little bit of my face, or like bronze it up. Not really contour, but just kind of bronze it.
That was ding in the middle of that. We're almost there, guys. My favorite type of NC is latency.
I'm gonna take my brown sugar palette. I've had this for a while if you've watched my other Get Ready With Me's. I'm gonna be taking the henna color and just putting it under my lash line. And then I'm gonna make a wing with it too, just like a slight wing. I'll clean up the wing with my actual eyeliner after. The eyeliner, this is the L'Oreal Paris Super Slim. This is just in the brown because, again, I think brown's really nice. It's just really natural. Oh, also, I'm not doing any eyeshadow because I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of late, and also I usually just don't really do any eyeshadow, so I just don't really want to, so I'm just not going to. So I've actually got lash extensions on, if you noticed, but there's a little, it kind of has fallen off because I got it like done 2 weeks ago, I think. So they've kind of fallen out, so I'm just gonna fill in some of it with some individual lashes, just because, why not? Because it's fine, I'm okay with that. These are just the Ardell Wispies in the individual package. I know you're not supposed to, but I'm gonna do it anyways. I'm sorry, but for the look, I gotta do it, okay? And also, I'm gonna use a little more highlighter. This is the Halo Scope in Quartz and the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick in 100 Light. And then for lips, I'm gonna be using the NYX Professional Makeup Matte Lip Liner. Just to line my lips, fill them in with the Essence. Oh, this one's in the color La La Land. And then this one's Essence in the color Real. I don't do it very well. I like literally just kind of do it and then I smudge it. I know all the makeup gurus watching this like, oh my god, don't do that. Well, I'm doing it, so. And then I'm gonna just fill it in with the Burt's Bees Lip Oil. This is in the color Rose? Rustling Rose. I think I'm gonna also put on my Glossier lip gloss. I'm gonna do that, and yeah. Okay, so here's my makeup look. It's honestly kind of what I do every single day, but it's fine. I'm good with that. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get dressed, and then I'm gonna just finish up my hair. I think I might braid it or something. But yeah, so let's do that. What? Oh my god, you look so good.
I had on my chest, but hiding under covers.